they're ready. Let's go. Let's go. Mexico! Here you go. Open it this way. Mexico.
I've got like 6 fingers for you
Mexico.
opening.
Donnie, shut up.
Okay, you can go back. Remember, you can go back. Here you go.
Huh?
Go, baby. Dear Elder Hernandez, you are hereby called to serve as a missionary of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. You are assigned to labor in the Alaska Anchorage mission. You are prepared to preach the gospel in the Spanish language. Oh my gosh. Oh, you will report to the Missionary Training Center at Provo, Utah, Wednesday, the 29th of August, 2007.
Wow!